AC guy 1948 here. Got me a Schumacher portable power jump pack, 1000 peaks. This is going to be kind of a quick video. I'm about out of memory. Alright, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it. There's a built-in air compressor. And that's all that's in the box. There's the jump pack. Well, any life in it? Lights came on. That's good. It's right in the middle on the, oops. It's got a charge indicator. It's right in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. Push the button. So, we're going to give this a quick try on the Ford Falcon. There's the air compressor. So that works. So, alright, we're going to hook this up to the Falcon because the battery is about dead in it. And see what she does. Okay, to prove the battery is about dead, we're going to put the key in and see what happens. Light comes on. And that's all we got. So let's see what happens here. Okay, it's showing that the battery's pretty dead. So, alright. We're going to see what happens when we hit the key now. If anything. Yeah, I kind of figured that'd be too soon. Okay. This is what I get for not reading the instructions. You flip the switch on. Doesn't hurt to read the instructions. You flip the switch on and then it should have. Oh wow. That fired right up after I did that. Now it's showing it's charging. So, acts like everything's good. Just unhook these, put them back in. This thing has a 12-volt lighter. If I can, there we go. Plug something 12 volt into it. I think I showed you the light. Now, if I got time, I think I got time. No, I don't. I'm going to show you the air compressor working. Hold on. Well, since I got an extra minute freed up on the memory, here's the battery. Here's a battery hooked up to the Yazoo. We'll hook this up to it. Okay, this was the main reason I bought this, for extra battery for the Yazoo. So let's flip the switch on. See what we get. Ha! This thing might require too much power. Well, shoot. Yeah, it's about out of gas, I think, but I just want to make sure it cranks. Alright, it'll crank and start that. That was a big thing I wanted it to do. Alright, that's very good. So far I'm liking this thing. Okay, last test. I got this hooked on the held hauler, three-wheeler, tires flat. We are going to flip the switch. Slowly going up. we're going to call that good. Definitely got air in it. And you just unscrew this. That just screws on the end. And you just turn on the switch. Pretty good setup there. It even came with a bag full of like a little blower nozzle and a basketball inflator and stuff like that in this little pouch, and it just wraps around the back here. So pretty nice, I must say. I'll do an update video on it in a while after I use it some, but right now I'm really liking this little device. Shut that off. Alright, well, that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. One last question. Can it work as a standalone battery? Flip the switch. See if she cranks. Oh, beautiful! Let's see if she'll start. I kind of thought not. It's been sitting. I don't even know if there's gas in it, but probably isn't any gas in it anymore, but great. Replaces a battery entirely. Ooh, I like this thing. Make sure to always shut the big switch off before you go messing with it. I didn't earlier. I should have. But and to charge it, you just plug an extension cord into this little dual prong thing and let it charge up. There you go.